Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a power hour. I really don't want to clean today, and so when I don't want to clean, I do the power hour. And if you don't know what that is basically you set a timer and you make a list of things that you want to get done, and then you try to beat the clock. So that's what I'm going to do. It helps to motivate me because I feel like it's just 1 hour out of my day. I can do this. So I want to put new sheets on the bed, and I'm about to show you my kitchen. I just got home from getting groceries, so my kitchen is crazy messy. I haven't cleaned it from last night. So it's got breakfast and lunch and part of last night's dinner going on in here, and then groceries everywhere. So I've got the kitchen. I just want to vacuum and mop the floors. I'll probably use my Bissell Crosswave because that just makes it quick and easy. I have some laundry to get started. I have some laundry to fold. But I have quite a few things I want to get done, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it done in an hour, but I'm really going to try. And the best part about the power hour is it doubles as a workout, because I feel like instead of just kind of leisurely walking around and cleaning your house, you're kind of like go, 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 and you break a sweat because you're trying to hurry up and beat the clock. So I love doing the power hours. I think that they're great, and I think they're fun to watch. So if you want to see that, then definitely keep on watching. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod now and show you guys what my kitchen looks like right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and put all of these groceries up.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in that.
Hey Google, set a timer for 60 minutes.
1 hour, starting now.
If you guys like these cleaning motivation videos, please hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. That way you will be notified when I upload, and go ahead and click that bell as well, and that will make sure that you are notified, because YouTube does not like to tell people when I upload, even if you are subscribed to me. So make sure that you hit that bell as well. So you can see there I'm getting into the animal crackers because they're delicious. That's why. So who else eats their kids' snacks? Let me know in the comments.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own.
So I definitely recommend taking your food, whatever you can, out of the packaging that it comes in and putting it into some sort of storage container. I get these on Amazon and they are linked in my Amazon store, but it saves so much space because the packaging that they come in is way bigger than what's actually in them most of the time. So for a lot of things, especially cereal and cookies and things like that, I will put into these little airtight containers, and not only does it make it look nice and organized, but it also saves a ton of space.
Be free.
So Kinsley had just gotten this crayon stuffed animal in the mail, and she wanted to be sure that you guys saw it. So she was showing you guys her pink crayon. Oh, it's so cute.
Now into an endless hole. When you come, everything just turns around. someone. Someone. Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
Now I'm just doing a load of laundry, and my favorite products are the Gain Original Laundry Detergent with the blue Suavitel. I forget the name of that scent, but it's the blue one, and then the original Gain scent beads. So those three together smell so good. So I'm doing a load of darks. I was separating them there, and then those are the three things that I use. And if you use those, I promise your laundry will smell amazing.
I can carry all that you've got.
And now I'm changing the sheets off of the bed to put fresh ones on, and these are some that I got on Amazon. They are linked in my Amazon store, and I like them, but they're nothing like the ones that I'm putting on in this video. Those are the ones that I got from Amazon like a year and a half ago or so, and a bunch of you went out and got them as well, and I think we sold them out because that brand no longer has them. But all you have to do is search for brushed microfiber sheets, and there are a bunch of different other brands that have them. I can't attest to the quality, but I will be able to soon because I think I'm going to purchase another set of the brushed microfiber because I just can't find any other sheets that compare. They're so soft and they're really thin, so they're not like thick and heavy. They don't make you hot or anything. They have withstood several washes, and they fit my mattress really well, and I just really like them. And they did come in a ton of different colors when I got these, but like I said, that company no longer sells them, so I'm gonna have to find another brand that has them. but I do have them in my store, so you could go look at them, but I don't think that they have them anymore. At least last time I checked, they didn't.
I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. He's the one she played, knocks me right on my feet, and the blame that's on me for letting her go across the line. I've been feeling this way for some time. I just can't ease you off of my mind. Hey now, she got me tied down, 'cause she's a pro now. Hey now, she got me tied down, 'cause she's a pro now. Aim was set on me to keep me shot to the ground, and damn, she hit me good. I felt it right to my bones. I've been feeling this way for some time. I just can't ease you off of my mind. Hey now.
So as you can see in the background, Kinsley had the Swiffer and she was dusting for me. So she dusted all of the furniture in my room and she did a pretty good job, I must say.
Hey now, she got me tied down, 'cause she's a pro now. Hey now, she got me tied down, 'cause she's a pro now. I brought it on myself. I was blinded enough. I never meant it to harm. You fall into yourself.
So today in my Bissell, I'm using the Lemon Fabuloso. I finally found it in the huge bottle at Home Depot, and you can also find it at the Dollar Tree, but normally I think they're really little bottles, and I've also found it at Dollar General, but this is the first one that I found it in the huge one, and it smells really good. It smells like a lemon drop candy in my opinion. The only thing I don't like about it is the scent doesn't linger as long as like the lavender Fabuloso, but I do love the way that it smells, so I use just a little bit of that with some hot water.
If you want it, I don't deserve it. I just wanna know it's all in my heart. If you want it, I don't deserve it. I just wanna know if we can go back. If we can go back. If we can go back. I just wanna know if we can go back. If we can is all that I wanted. Is it gone? The soul that I tore. I said it once. It's all that I wanted. Is it gone? The soul that I tore. I said it once. It's all that I wanted. The only one. The soul that I tore. I said it once. It's all that I wanted. Is it gone? The soul that I tore. It's all in my heart if you want it. I don't deserve it. I just wanna know. It's all in my heart if you want it. I don't deserve it. I just wanna know if we can go back. If we can go.
So thank you guys so much for watching today's Power Hour. I forgot to tell you that my timer did go off about halfway through me doing the floors, but I just went on and finished the last couple things that I had to do. So I would say in all it took me about an hour and 15 minutes to do this entire routine, so not bad. So I hope that this gave you guys some cleaning motivation to get done what you have to get done in your house, and I will see you guys in my next video.